Does AI influence the artist's creative process? Today's $100 Optimus Awards winner is this piece from Hannah Cardwell, entitled Mysterious Game Map. Artists who employ AI in the creative process introduce an element of unpredictability that forces them to diverge from the traditional roadmap and take the road less traveled. The physicist Freeman Dyson once said, "It is our task to prove the conventional wisdom wrong and to make our unpredictable dreams come true." AI art blends human intention with algorithmic spontaneity, ensuring the artist's creative process is ever-changing. What do you think? I'm William Ammerman, and I'm passionate about the future of artificial intelligence in the arts. I invite you to share your own AI artwork or nominate an AI artist you know and join our growing community at optimusawards.org.